Hey y'all, this week we're talking about the skills that brand new beginner VAs can offer. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Erin. I'm a freelance virtual assistant and course creator for VAs like yourself. But before we dive into the who, what, where, when, and how of virtual assistant, if you are a new VA, consider dropping your website or social media links into the comments, whatever you have set up, because we'd love to introduce you to the community, and there's plenty of room at the table for all of us. All right, so let's start from the beginning. What is a virtual assistant? A VA is somebody who assists people virtually from a remote location like your home, for example. And tons of different companies utilize VAs. I've worked with solopreneurs, small startups, medium companies, even Fortune 500s. And there are tons of different reasons why VAs are in demand, because as a VA, you're not considered a full-time employee. And as such, people or companies don't need to provide things for you like health insurance, company benefits, or even space for you in the office. And most recently, the whole world seemed to embrace remote work as the COVID-19 pandemic swept the globe. Lucky for us, it opened all sorts of new doors for freelance assistants. All right, so what do virtual assistants do? A VA is generally expected to be a highly flexible person when it comes to the work that's assigned to you. And that's because we are an amazing asset to teams. We handle lots of different tasks that come our way, and sometimes it feels like no 2 days are the same. Now, there are a host of things that you can offer, but some of the most common and popular services nowadays include research. This is scouring the web for info, facts, figures, digging through sites like Reddit and Quora, and trying to find information that your clients are seeking or even cross-referencing for accuracy. Managing calendars and appointments. This includes calling clients to set up meetings, appointments, replying to emails, even managing team calendars. This is probably, I would say, one of the more common requests that VAs receive and is perfect for somebody who's highly organized and can stay on top of various moving pieces. Travel tasks. Booking hotels, flights, car services, using online platforms, calling for reservations in advance, even finding and booking flights or checking your clients in for their flights in advance. Simple digital marketing tasks. Now, an example of this is like uploading a client's podcast to their preferred platform or interacting with an online community, even flagging comments for them to check or tracking web analytics, maybe even doing a little SEO work. Now, these types of services are pretty invaluable nowadays, and if you're new to the VA game, you might want to consider stepping up your digital savviness. So if you're someone who understands Google Analytics very well or who understands search engine optimization very well, these are definitely skills that will help put you into this high in-demand category of VAs nowadays. Social media support is another good one, and notice I said support and not management. Now, support includes things like extracting data for analytics and running ads. It also includes things like uploading content or maybe looking through social media channels and flagging comments or questions that your client needs to address. And real talk here, folks. I did not say management. It's a slippery slope, and if your client asks you to go beyond support and start creating content to share, it's definitely worth having a conversation with them about charging more money. And that's because social media teams who create, build, and manage communities are expensive and in demand. And if this happens to you, check out my course called Doubling Your Income, because this is a great niche to charge more money for. Now, you might be asking, speaking of money, what the average salary is. And most VAs base their income on an hourly basis. A brand new US-based VA can charge anywhere from $15 to $20 an hour, while somebody with a long track record of success might be $30 to $40 an hour, and somebody with a highly specialized niche skill might be $50 to $70 an hour. So I'm just curious, of the skills that we mentioned in this video, is there anything that resonates with you? Are there any skills that you think that you could start offering immediately to your clients? And if so, then that's a great start, because really understanding what sort of services you want to offer and if they're in demand or maybe what people are willing to pay for is a great place to be when you're building your business. And if you're ready to answer a few more questions about your business, like where do you even find your first few clients, or how do you start marketing your services, click this card up above my head right now, and it will help take you to a couple more videos with a few more hot tips to help you grow your business as a brand new VA.